Does the right to disconnect law create a new right for employees? My name is Tanya Sambi and I am a lawyer with Minken Employment Lawyers. The short answer is no. As mentioned before, there was a new requirement under the Employment Standards Act 2000 for employers with 25 or more employees to have a written right to disconnect policy in place by June 2nd, 2022. Now, does this mean that employees have a new right that allows them to disconnect from work? It does not. The new law merely requires employers to have a written policy in place with respect to disconnecting from work. The Employment Standards Act 2000 does not specify that the policy needs to provide a right for the employee to disconnect from work and to be free from the obligation to engage in work-related communications. It only requires that an employer create a policy with respect to disconnecting from work. That's all. Employees are therefore not gaining any new rights or protections under the Employment Standards Act 2000. And as a reminder to all employers with 25 or more employees as of January 1st, 2022, the deadline to have the right to disconnect policy in place is fast approaching. The deadline is June 2nd, 2022. So in conclusion, all that the Employment Standards Act requires is that an employer have a written policy in place. It does not provide employees with any new protections. So tune in next time where we discuss more on the right to disconnect policy. Thank you so much for tuning in to Minken Employment Lawyers. If anything that we spoke about today sounds like something you are dealing with, please contact myself or one of the other experienced lawyers at Minken Employment Lawyers. We'd be happy to assist. Please also go to our website and check out our employer guides, blog posts, and articles. Please be sure to sign up for our newsletter.